Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie. Today it's time for another Plant of the Week video, and this time of year I'm focusing on grasses. Now last year I did a bunch of Plant of the Week videos on flowering perennials, and I'll link a playlist up here for that. Now grasses are absolutely wonderful in any water efficient landscape. Anywhere where water is an issue, you can use grasses. There are even really excellent grasses for areas that are a lot more wet. Now I have several different types of grasses on my property, and the one I want to focus on today is blue oak grass. So let's look at my blue oak grass and tell you how I take care of it. So this is my blue oak grass and how it looks in February. I live in Utah Zone 6/7, and this is the first week in February, and this is their winter look. They're still really quite pretty and have some color left to them. Now one of the things I like the most about blue oak grass is they take very, very little maintenance. The only thing that I do is cut back the flower stalks in the summer, just because I don't like the look of that. I like them to look a little more clean. And then in probably, I'd say the end of March, mid-March, I am going to go through with a metal rake and pull out the brown dead out of them. Now that doesn't take very long, so maintenance is really quite easy. They're really a beautiful blue. They have an excellent texture. They give spring, summer, and winter interest, so they are an excellent grass. So besides the maintenance part that is so easy in caring for blue oak grass, everything else is also easy. They don't require a lot of water. You should water them regularly when they're first planted. Don't add any fertilizer because they don't like fertilizer, and always choose a place that is full sun for the best color and that has excellent drainage. They can tolerate clay soil as long as it has good drainage. And if you have extremely sandy soil, you'll probably have to up the amount of water you give them. But other than that, they are extremely easy to care for. Now, I would love to hear if you grow blue oak grass, and if you do, where do you live and how do you care for it, and if you found any issues with it. So far, I haven't found any issues growing it. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it has been helpful, I hope you like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and go have a wonderful garden adventure.